What's going on, folks? So this isn't the most beautiful video production I've ever done. I'm outside. It is golden hour though, I guess. Got the Chase 66 right behind me, which is a little muddy. But I have some news to put out on the update that you're going to see this weekend that just came out. So just a little update, and it was quickly following the last update. So I'm going to tell you what was in that. All right, so we just launched version 5.24 a few days ago, and we quickly found out after doing a lot of tweaking and upgrades and with that update that there were some issues with some later versions of iOS with old collections, looking at them, seeing or trying to view markers and routes, and there was crashes and all this good stuff. And it was we got on it, looked at it, and it was only to do with like very old versions, like mostly iOS 12, just some weird instances, and it had to do with the naming convention and how the caps and how we adjusted some things in the menu that caused these crashes on older devices. Folks that were running the latest iOS 13 probably didn't see this, but there were some folks running older model iPads that have not yet able to upgrade to 13, or they're stuck back in that iOS 12 world, or they just never updated their iPad at all for a while, and they were on trips hitting us up. Anyway, really small patch. We knocked it out in less than a day once we heard about the bug and looked at the crash reports, and this is just a tweak and fixed for those folks. That's it. That's all that's in this update. We're still working hard on a very big update that's going to be coming out in hopefully another 4 to 5 weeks that you all are going to like. I promise. It's been a long time coming on what we're working on right now, and stay tuned for that. But that's it. That's all that was in this little update that you're going to see this weekend. For the folks that had crashes from the last update running old iOS 12, this should fix it. All right, have a good weekend. Out.